As you can see from the title, we're going to do a what's in my hospital bag. I'm a third-time mom, so very quick disclaimer, I'm packing what is suitable for me. From my experiences doing this 2 times beforehand, these are products that I have packed or wish I packed before with the other 2 babies, so I don't feel like I've overpacked. I don't feel like I'm not going to use the things that I've packed. Like, I think at this point I have a pretty good idea of what I personally like to use in my hospital bag. I know a lot of people are like, oh,
I didn't do this, or I didn't use this, or you're overpacking, or I don't need to use this.
it's great for you. Everybody's different. Everybody has different preferences of comfortability and what they like. But yeah, that's my quick little disclaimer. So let's hop right into it. I'm also kind of in the midst of like, y'all are gonna kind of pack this with me. So we're unpacking it so I can show you, but we're also gonna pack it back together. So we're gonna start with this bag here, which is my labor bag. They recommend having a bag with you for right when you're admitted, going to the delivery room, and like before postpartum. So I kind of like to have all that stuff separate just so I can like easily carry this out the car and then go back down for the other bag later. But we're gonna start with this bag. This is actually Moody's old diaper bag. So in here I have my heating pad. At the hospital, typically they provide like instant heat packs, but I find that they get cold so quick, and I really love the constant heat, so I brought a heating pad. I also just bought these, but some flip-flops for the shower. I don't like my bare feet to be in the shower, so I have these. I don't know that I'll be in the shower while I'm like laboring or not, but just in case, I'll put it in this bag. This is gonna be my tech bag for like chargers and whatnot. I also have a digital camera in here. So we just have a camera, which is fully charged. I have my iPad charger and my phone charger in here so far. When it's time, I will just throw in my other phone charger, my iPad, and my camera. And my camera charger is the same as my phone charger, so there's that. And then in this pocket, I just have a Gatorade and a Body Armor. I'm gonna probably keep all of my snacks in this bag, truthfully. I don't know that I'll be eating and drinking during labor or if I'll even be able to, but I do want to just keep my snacks in this bag because it's a little bit easier that way. And then I just packed these from the Amazon Baby Registry box. This is liquid IV, and this is an extra like nursing pad and milk storage bag. That's not necessarily needed. The liquid IV is, but I just put the other thing in there just to. And then in this pouch, I have my labor comb. It's wooden. You're just supposed to be able to like squeeze it like this to help you get through the contractions. So we have that in there. And then I also have just a regular bralette if I want to labor in the tub or anything. So we'll have this. This is a must-have for me personally. I love facial sprays. Sometimes in the hospital I'm really hot, sometimes I'm really cold, but I feel like this is just so refreshing, and to use it while breastfeeding afterwards and laboring after I give birth. So I have a little travel size of this, also hand sanitizer of course, this Vaseline lip balm. You guys know I love this. If my skin is dry, I just want to quickly apply something on my lips. I'm not doing my makeup in the hospital, I don't do that personally, but if you do, that's cool. Bunch of hair ties because I'm about to get my hair braided, so I want to be able to keep my hair up and out of my face. And then some makeup wipes, once again, just if I want to feel refreshed, if I'm hot, sweaty, or whatever the case may be, uncomfortable, I have that. So that's pretty much it for the labor bag. Also, I'm going to throw what's in my purse into this front pouch as well. So my water breaks are going to labor, keep having consistent contractions before we go to the hospital. Instead of carrying a separate purse, I'm just going to put my wallet, my insurance card, my keys, lip gloss, any little things, gum, into this pouch, so it'll be like my purse is in here as well. So this is my little labor bag. And now we're going to jump into the main hospital bag. I really need to order some zippers or something for this. Not zippers, but like the, I don't know, the string that goes on the zipper, because mine broke off somehow. And I don't know, I have like this twist tie, but whatever. Anywho, so I have black towels and washcloths. I personally like my own towels and washcloths in the hospital. I feel like, well, I know that the hospital towels are so flimsy. I don't use those for my body, so I prefer my own giant black towel. It's so much more comfortable, especially that first shower after giving birth. 10 out of 10. I had this pink robe packed, but it's honestly taking up so much space and it's humongous. So instead of the pink robe, I'm going to put in like front this black robe. It's, as you can see, it's a lot more lightweight, kind of slouchy. So I think this will be more comfortable in the hospital bed, walking around and stuff like that. Easier to breastfeed, and I don't think I'll be too hot with that. So I can always cover up if I'm cold. Like I said, it really just depends. My bad. My grandfather called me, so honestly don't really remember what I was even talking about. But yeah, okay, black robe instead of the pink robe. Cool. So I also have these house shoes. I'm very excited about these, just to walk around in. Comfortable, furry, cute, love it. Mini pack of baby wipes for myself. Like I said, I normally always take a shower in the hospital, but you never know when you might get sweaty or thrown up on or whatever the case may be. So wipes to be fresh. And then I also have these really thick, comfortable socks with grips on the bottom. I know the hospital gives you socks. I like these ones. They're warm, they're comfortable, and they make me feel good and at home. I also have just regular oversized granny panties and nursing bras. I'm also gonna pack a black bralette. Actually, I think I want to wear this to the hospital, so that's going on there. I'm gonna keep like the outfit I want to wear to the hospital, kind of on standby, just, you know, so it's there. But so we're gonna keep that. Oh, I have some nursing bras and then like a nursing tank top. That way I can have my little diaper with my little nursing bras, throw in the robe, very comfortable, very cute, very cute. So that's that. There's another one in there. Didn't realize that. I'm only gonna take one of those, so just put one of those back. And then I also have 2 button-up sleep dresses. This is what I wear majority of the time in the hospital to sleep or just throughout the day. So I just have 2. I have different little options, like I said, because I'm not sure if I'll be hot or cold or not. And then also, if I were to TMI bleed through any of my clothing, I would like to be able to shower and put on a fresh pair of clothes, you know? So I'm not gonna just have 1 or 2 outfits in the hospital, even though we only have to stay for 2 nights. So that'll be 2 nights for the dresses. And then if I wanna get dressed or change throughout the day or just switch things up, like I said, if I'm hot or anything, I have the nursing bras and the tank top. And I can just kind of change up my outfit if I'm feeling hot or uncomfortable. For my shower, I just have this body scrubber. Like I said, the first shower after you give birth feels so good, and I really just want to pamper myself, so that's what that is. I have some nipple cream. This is Nipple Crack by Tiny Human that I'm bringing, and then my Silverettes. I'm going to bring those too. You're not supposed to use them together, so that's why I'm bringing both of them, so I can kind of decide how I want to do it. More hair ties. And then I also have a face mask. Like I said, I just want to be able to kind of pamper myself a little bit and just relax while I'm in the hospital, try to make myself feel as calm and just taken care of as possible. I have experienced some really deep lows after giving birth, and so I just want to have some emergency little feel better things on standby. So face mask. I'm also bringing my own personal peri bottle and this healing foam. I know the hospital does not give me healing foam. I'm trying this for the first time, so I'm packing this. And the peri bottle, they do give one, but it sucks, and I would prefer to have mine with me from the door. This is wrapped up because I always have bad luck with stuff spilling out, but this is unscented soap. I personally don't wear perfume or scented lotions or soaps or anything for the first, honestly, month or 2 after I give birth, just so the baby's used to my smell, and it's not too strong because the baby's always going to be all up over me, breastfeeding and stuff like that, and I would really prefer not to overwhelm their noses with scents. So that's what I do personally. So into this pocket. This is my kind of cleaning supplies. I just have some Lysol. I have some Clorox pack and hand sanitizers. I know hospitals are supposed to be very sterile, but I feel better when I can just kind of clean up after myself or clean up my own space. And then in this pocket over here, I have my lactation cookie bites, and I have a coconut water, and I have another body armor. Those are just extra snacks for breastfeeding and hydration. I still have to go shopping this weekend to get the rest of my hospital stacks, and like I said, I'll just put those in my labor bag. And then we have our toiletry bag. I just bring some cotton rounds for skincare. I don't have any crazy skincare. I actually just bought all new products. I have some floss, some sensitive unscented bar soap. I have some lotion, unscented, face wash. I have Pond's facial moisturizer. I have some mouthwash. We have a mini travel size deodorant or travel size, a toothbrush and a holder, and some toothpaste. That's pretty much all I use for my skin. I have my face spray and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm not going too overboard with skincare or body care in the hospital. It's just very simple, very light, very cute. So I'm gonna throw all that back in there. And then last but not least, I don't know what the weather is gonna be looking like. I'm gonna just check this out. Like in the next 2 weeks, it's giving, that's not it, 40-ish, 30s, but rain, cold. So what I want to do is wear these pants coming home. They're just sweatpants, and then I'm thinking, oh, I have a gray top I was gonna wear. I think that's my dress, so I have to grab that. So a gray top, just the nursing bra underneath, and then that's what I'll wear. And then I also forgot, this just came out the laundry, so I also have this regular, just black pajama set. So I'm gonna pack these two. So I just think they're cute. I kind of want to have those. So I'm gonna put these in here. My pants. Trying to make sure I'm not forgetting anything. Have the nursing bras and the tanks, the underwear, all that good stuff. Okay, socks, shoes, my robe right here, and then the towel and brush. And then of course, like I said, I'll pack my iPad because I like to read or watch shows in there, my phone, naturally my camera for recording, a water bottle, and whatever's in my purse. And then the baby bag is packed as well, but I will show you guys that after I give birth and announce the gender and things of that nature. And you can see what I actually, maybe I'll do like everything I used or things I didn't use, something I wish I had, maybe type of video, and also show what I have in the baby bag. But I also use it as a diaper bag, and I keep it packed as a diaper bag, so obviously there are things in there that I won't necessarily need in the hospital, but I don't want to have to repack a diaper bag once the baby's home. Just something that's worked for me in the past, something that's very convenient. So I don't know why I can't zip this up. I guess the way I just threw everything in here was pretty dumb. But yeah, that is basically it. That is everything that is in my hospital bag and my labor bag. I'm super excited. Literally the final days are here. They're approaching. So we're just making sure we have everything ready. But everything's all set up. The bassinet is set up. My rolling cart. The car seat is about to be installed this weekend. And we're at the final steps, you guys. So I'm super excited if you made it to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.